You're probably here because you clicked on the video, and you clicked on the video because the thumbnail caught your eye. The thumbnail caught your eye because you're probably a One Piece fan or an artist who's planning to make a One Piece artwork, or probably both, or maybe. Okay. Let's start from the beginning. Ever since the One Piece Egghead Island Arc has started, I wait eagerly for a new episode. But the one thing that caught my attention most in the show is this eye catcher. That's because the illustration is so full of harmony and vibrancy. I love the colors and the character's expressions and everything around blah blah blah. Let's get to the point. Since I like the eye catcher a lot, I want to make a painting out of it. To make a painting, we need paint. So what I have with me are watercolors and acrylics. For acrylics, I need a canvas. As of now, I don't have any plans on doing it on a canvas. Watercolors are cool, but a little too transparent for this color palette. So now what? YouTube. So after surfing through the YouTube, I found the paints that will be most suitable for my artwork. Gouache. Now, let's just order them. So while our order arrives, let's start with our sketch. I will start by making a rough sketch on a thin A3 size paper. You might be wondering why not directly draw on a watercolor paper. That's because the texture of the watercolor paper is very rough, and erasing pencil lines again and again on it makes the paper dirty. So I will just make the rough sketch and finalize the lines later and trace it onto the thicker paper. So just sit back and enjoy the sketching time lapse. Since I'm done with the sketch, now it's time to trace it onto a watercolor paper. To do this, I'm using a light box, but don't worry if you don't have a light box. You can use a charcoal method as well. Okay, so you don't want to see me trace the lines for a couple of minutes, so let's just speed this up. Guess what? Our parcel is here. Time for a cool unboxing. After watching a few videos about how to use these paints, I'm pretty much ready to start painting. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! So I will start off by blocking in a thin layer of color for each character. I will start with the thick layer once I have finished filling in this layer. And our base layer is done. Now it's time for the final painting process. But I am too hungry to keep on painting. So let's cook something. Welcome to Cooking with Sketcher Rahul. In this episode, we are gonna make pasta. And not just any pasta, we are making pesto pasta. So sit back and enjoy the process. Let me know if you enjoyed this quick cooking segment, and with this, our pasta is ready to be eaten. Let's enjoy a meal. Well, after eating, I don't really feel like painting anymore, so let's just continue tomorrow. It's a bright sunny day, folks, so let's continue with our painting. entire palette does not have the capacity to hold more colors, so let's just give it a quick wash. Better. And now, our painting process is almost done. The only thing left to do is inking. This is my first time trying out gouache. It might not look very flattering, but I have tried to give it my best. So I hope you all will like the final artwork, and I also hope you all enjoyed the video as well. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and go smash the like button and also leave a comment, and I'm gonna go prepare for the next video. Until then, enjoy the reveal and rewatch the video and wait for the One Piece to start airing again.
Sunday, bright sunshine out there, and it is gonna be hot.